This is Greg with InstaTrim products, and today I'd like to show you how we splice two pieces of InstaTrim together along a straight line. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pull back somewhat so we can cut this piece first. Okay, now we're going to make our first cut on one piece of InstaTrim, and I recommend cutting on a scrap piece of tile versus your finished floor because you don't want to scratch this. So you're just going to take your razor blade near the end and try and do a 45-degree angle like this and just gently push it through the InstaTrim. It's easy to cut as long as the razor blade is sharp, and once you're done you've got a nice angled back cut on this piece. Okay, now we're going to cut the other piece of InstaTrim, and this time we're going to flip this over so the adhesive is facing up, and we're going to do the same thing, a 45-degree angle from the adhesive side, just like that. You can see that we've got a nice angle on this side, and that will match the angled cut of the previous piece we just did. Now that we've cut both ends of our InstaTrim with the razor blade, we're going to put these together, and we like to use a drop of super glue on one end just to ensure that this seam will last forever.